Did you attend the betting forum as one of the biggest stakeholders betting in Zimbabwe? Mamzele kune betting forum.
I understand.
Alright. H-Metro yakaorganize a betting forum because apparently vanhu varamba vachingoona betting is something very bad. So vanongoorganizwa ka-betting forum the same way katinoorganiza kana ka-drug abuse forum.
Okay.
Handimona teenage pregnancy forum. So kwakainvitwa ma-betting companies, National Lotteries Board, what and gaming what police yaka-invite wachi ibaba. But surprisingly I didn't see mabeta acho.
Police,
Special one
number
win.
one, police inenge chageko.
Maybe they are looking into criminalizing betting. Anenge also kumbro parliament. The parliament quite a drug rinonzi betting.
Ukatarisa chimwe chiclip chamai aenzani mukadzi wa Paraffin Maisorobi.
Yeah.
Ukatarisa chimwe chiclip chamai Sorobi na Paraffin chakuma 90s vachitoti tiri kuinda kunobata mabhisa vachiinda kunobheja betting. Saka betting has been in existence since ameno.
Yes.
It's not something that can be criminalized. Betting has nothing to there's nothing wrong with betting.
Even pakafa Jesu ari pabanozbai pamuchinji kwa they actually cast loads so that they can see kuti achatola chi Diane.
Betting haina problem. Vanhu vane the addict gene ndo vane problem.
Yes.
Saka iwe if you're an addict whatever you do chichangoita problem. Kune vanhu vanotobeta vasina kana problem.
Vakaita semi.
No inandibeta.
Amuchabeta.
Inini handinzi ndobeta because definition yebetting it's risk taking kuti say that you win or you lose. I don't lose. Saka I don't qualify ipapo. Indongo wina.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to win big, munobeta pa Spin City, munoshandisa link rangu rinenge riri comment section. Panenge pakanzi Zico. Panokunzi promo code optional ndopaonesa link rakanzi Zico. That is why vari kuhina chaizvo commander because vanoshandisa link rangu rine zodzo.
Kutowina kwandiri kuita ndini ndakareda kuti promo code rako riite sodzo.
Ndiri kupaona.